The Minister of State for Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Rajiv Chandrasekhar, today took an indirect dig at the NPP, saying political parties who have nothing to show would bask in the glory of the Prime Minister. The statement came from the minister when asked about central projects being renamed and projected as state projects here. The minister also denied the allegations that the BJP is anti-Christian, saying there is an attempt to create division between the BJP and the Christian community. The minister also said that the large extent of progress happening in Meghalaya is due to the efforts of the Prime Minister. Earlier in the morning, the minister attended a program in which several women joined the party in West Shillong constituency.
It has become the practice of many chief ministers and many governments who have nothing to show on their own to bask in the reflected glory of Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji's work, Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji's schemes. It is not unusual because political parties that have nothing to say, nothing to do, or have achieved nothing